Namaskar everyone. Welcome you all to the Sikhya Sanjog program. In today's class, let us see what happens to the friendship of Jumman and Algu when Algu gave its judgment in the Panchayat. But before that, let's have a quick recap of the part 2. Auntie suggested Algu's name as Chief Judge. Khudi मुख्य विचारपति हेबा पाई अलगुर ना कहिले. Algu did not want to involve in this case because Jumman was his close friend. Algu एही केस रे संपृक्त हबाकू राजी नथिले कारण जुम्मन तांकर क्लोज फ्रेंड थिले. Algu got motivated by auntie's words and decided to treat aunt and Jumman equally. Algu खुड़ीଙ୍କ कथारे प्रभावित होई खुड़ी और जुम्मन को समान न्याय दृष्टि रे देखिबा पई स्थिर कले. पंचायत डिसाइडेड दैट जुम्मन शुड पे मंथली अलाउंस टू आंट. पंचायत जुम्मन को खुड़ीଙ୍କ मासिक भत्ता देबे बोली निज राय सुनाइले. द टेक्स्ट 3 begins. Jumman had never expected such a judgment from a friend like Algu. It broke up the friendship between Jumman and Algu. Now they were never to be seen talking together. Jumman began to think taking revenge. A year before, Algu had bought a very beautiful pair of bullocks from the fair of Batesar. As ill luck would have it, one of these bullocks happened to die only a month after Jumman's Panchayat. Jumman exclaimed among friends, "This is the punishment for his deception. God sees all the good and evil." Algu also suspected that Jumman had poisoned his bullock. His wife said, "Jumman is behind this." New words and their meanings. Expected, verb to think or believe that something will happen. आशा करिबा. Break up. We two broke up to come to an end. भांगिला बा सरिला. Revenge, noun. Something is done to make somebody suffer. प्रतिशोध. As ill luck would have it. एटा गोटे idiom टा. एहा एक रूढ़ी अटे. As the luck decides. जहा भाग्य स्थिर करे. Deception, noun. Cheating, प्रतारणा. Suspect, verb. Doubt करिबा, संदेह करिबा. Algu's decision brought a great change in his friendship with Jumman. When one of Algu's bullock died, Jumman called it was God's justice. God punished Algu because he had cheated Jumman. At the same time, Algu and his wife doubted that Jumman was behind his bullock's death. Algura निष्पत्ति जुम्मन सह थिबा तार बंधुतारे बहुत बड़ परिवर्तन आनिला. जेतेबेले अलगुर बलदटिए मरीगला, जुम्मन ताकू ठाकुरंकर न्याय बोलिकी लोकंक आगरे कहिले. ଏହା ମଧ୍ୟ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଅଲଗୁର ପ୍ରତାରଣା ପାଇଁ ଠାକୁର ତାକୁ ଉଚିତ ଦଣ୍ଡ ଦେଲେ. ଏମିତିକି ଅଲଗୁ ଓ ତାର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାଙ୍କ ବଳଦର ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ପଛରେ ଜୁମ୍ମନର ହାତ ଥିବା ସନ୍ଦେହ କଲେ. A single bullock was of no use to Algu, so he decided to sell it off. There was a certain Samjho Sahu in the village who used to drive an ikka to the town. He would carry ghee and sugar to the town market and return from there with a lot of salt and oil, which he then sold in the village. He thought if he had this bullock, he could make 3 trips a day easily. He bought the bullock and promised to pay off the price in a month's time. Sell off, विक्रय करिबा. इक्का, सिंगल बुलक कार्ट गोटिए बलद द्वारा चालित जान, प्रॉमिस्ड प्रतिज्ञा कले V2 ऑफ प्रॉमिस, पे ऑफ पेमेंट ऑफ मनी टू द लेंडर मूल्य देबा मूल्य सुझिबा। Algu decided to sell the other bullock to Samju Sahu, who was a trader. He used to carry ghee and sugar to the town and return with salt and oil. Samju Sahu thought that he can easily make more money by using this bullock. So he bought the bullock and promised to pay the price in a month to Algu. Algu तार बड़का बलदटीକୁ समझु साहू बिकिबाकु स्थिर कले। समझु साहू गाँर घीओ और चीनी नहीं सहर को जाउथले और बदलरे लुण और तेल नहीं फेरुथिले, जहाकु से गाँरे बिक्री करुथिले। से भाबिले एही बलदटी को किणी व्यवहार रे लगाई तांको आय बहुत बढ़ई पारिबे। तेणु से अलगु ठारू बलदटी को किणिबा पाई स्थिर कले ओ मासक भितरे टंका परिशोध बा सुझी देबे बोली कहिले। Samju Sahu began to overwork this bullock. He began making 3 to 4 trips per day. He worried neither about giving it fodder nor water. He worried only about his trips. Within a month, the bullock became a mere bag of skin and bones. One evening, Sahuji put a double load on it during the 4th trip. The animal was dead tired by the day's work. It could not get going. Sahuji whipped it with the greatest cruelty. The bullock made a last effort but fell down on the ground, never to rise again. Overworked, V2 form of overwork, to work too hard, अत्यधिक काम करिबा. Trips, noun, a short journey, छोटिया यात्रा. Fodder, noun, food for farm animals, पशु खाद्य, फार्म रे थिबा पशु मानक खाद्य. लोड, नाउन, बर्डन, बोझ. Whipped, V2 form of whip, a long thin piece of rope to punish animals, चाबुक मारिबा. Effort, noun, attempt, प्रयास बा चेष्टा. Samju Sahu made the bullock overwork. He did not take care of the bullock properly. He did not give the bullock fodder, water, and rest. Soon the bullock became very weak and lean. One day, Sahuji made the bullock go for the 4th trip to the town. He also whipped it cruelly. At last, the bullock died. समझु साहू बलदेटीକୁ ଅଧିକ କାମ କରାଇଲେ, ତାର ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ଯତ୍ନ ନେଲେ ନାହିଁ, ତାକୁ ଯଥା ସମୟରେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ପାନୀୟ ଓ ଆରାମ କରିବାକୁ ଦେଲେ ନାହିଁ। ଦିନେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ସେ ବଳଦଟିକୁ ଚତୁର୍ଥ ଥର ପାଇଁ ସହରକୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ବାଧ୍ୟ କଲେ। ତାକୁ ଚାବୁକ ମାଡ଼ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଲେ। ଶେଷରେ ବଳଦଟିର ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ହେଲା। Summary: The friendship of Jumman and Algu changed completely after Jumman's panchayat. They both stopped talking and started behaving unfriendly with each other. Jumman said God is omniscient and he had properly punished him for his wrong deeds when one of Algu's bullock died. Algu and his wife also doubted Jumman behind their bullock's death. Algu decided to sell the other bullock to Sanju Sahu, who was a trader. Sahuji bought the bullock and promised to pay off within a month. In order to make more profit, he made the bullock overwork without giving it proper food, water, and rest. Within a month, the bullock lost its sound health. One evening, the bullock died when it was whipped cruelly to go for the fourth trip. The bullock tried hard but couldn't make it. Student, welcome to the worksheet 3 part. Here in the 1, you have to fill in the blanks with appropriate words. There are certain words that are written in the bracket and you have to read the sentences and fill in the blanks. पिले ए करे तमर किछि वर्ड गुड़ा को ब्रैकेट रे दिया जाइछि तमे से सेंटेंस गुड़ा को पढ़िबो आउ जोठी जो वर्ड रो आवश्यकता अछि सेटा को लिखिबो. 2 रे अछि हमर लेट्स मेकिंग नाउन्स. Let's make noun by adding ment with the verb. जेमिति कि judge plus ment equal to judgment. The rest part you have to do yourself. पिले एठारे आमे वर्ड गुड़ा करे ment लगेकी तार नाउन फॉर्म तैयारी करिकी सिखिबा. जेमिति कि judge plus ment judgment. एटा गोटे नाउन हे गला. बळकाटी तमको निजे निजे करबाको हबो. In 3, you have to write true or false. You have been given some sentences and you have to write whether the statements or sentences are true or false and write T or F by its side. पिले 3 रे तम मानको किछि सेंटेंसेस दिया जाइछि जोडा कि ट्रू किंबा फॉल्स सत कि मिछ तमे ता सेही सेंटेंस रो साइड रे लिखिबो. Students, this is the gist of part 3 of the village judge. If you still have any questions, queries, you can ask in the comment section. Till we meet next time, take care of yourself. Goodbye.